TV, India's #1 news channel. We are continuing our rolling reportage from Srinagar, tracking all the political developments in North Block as well as South Block. But right now, the focus clearly shifts to Kashmir, the Srinagar, where Mehbooba Mufti's cabinet meet just got over an hour back. And most importantly, remember, Army Chief, as we speak, is there in the heart of the Kashmir rally. Republic TV's deputy editor, Snehesh Advi, is tracking every moment of Army Chief. And Snehesh, I'm coming to you in terms of preparing a blueprint, in terms of a befitting response. What is to be done and how prepared is our army right now? Security apparatus beefed up. Tell us more about what all is happening, and especially Army Chief's visit to the valley. Snehesh.
You know, since morning there have been two high-level meetings that have taken place. One was at the governor's house at about 11 a.m. when the governor held a meeting which was attended by the GOC 15 Corps, who is the man in charge of the operations of the army in Kashmir, along with the CRPF DG, the IG.
All right, we will be in fact getting back to Snehesh, but let's quickly tell our viewers what all has happened this morning. Now, Mehbooba has been in touch with the Chief Minister of Gujarat as well as Maharashtra. Her ruling dispensation has also announced a compensation of ₹6 lakh to those who have lost their near and dear ones. In fact, the Chief Minister of Gujarat has also announced compensation not only for the families of deceased but also those who have suffered injuries. Also, getting you all the inputs as far as Valsad is considered and other parts of Valsad, where the families have been waiting since morning for those mortal remains to reach. Now, all important that is right now is also after Mehbooba concluded that meeting of the emergency meeting of the cabinet at the civil secretariat, Army Chief is also in Kashmir Valley to review the preparedness. Now, we are also picking up exclusive details as far as the continuation of Yatra is considered. Deepti, my colleague from Baltal base camp in Pahalgam, telling us that as far as the rest of the Yatris and their spirit is considered, there is not even a single trace of psychosis. Amarnath Yatra continues unabated, and that is exclusive information that we broke earlier in the morning. IG Kashmir speaking exclusively to Republic TV's Shawan. And in the Delhi studio, we also have with us our political editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, joining us. Aishwarya, now going back to, if you could hear me, these exclusive details that you broke as far as that meeting that was concluded in the morning at Home Minister's residence. That meeting that was concluded at Home Minister's residence in the morning, after which the National Security Advisor also briefed Prime Minister. I am going to come to Aishwarya in a moment. Meanwhile, let's quickly go across to Srinagar once again, outside Governor's residence. Snehesh, my colleague, our deputy editor, joining us for more. Snehesh, I think you're now patched with us live. Tell us more details, especially about the Army Chief's visit there, what all is being done on ground, security, beef up, and all of that. Snehesh.
You know, two important security meetings have taken place in Srinagar since morning. The first one is at 11 a.m. when the J&K Governor N. Vohra met with the top security officials in the valley. You know, the security officials include the GOC of the 15 Corps, the 15 Corps is in charge of the military operations here in Kashmir. At the same time, he also met with the DG CRPF as well as the IG operations of the CRPF. You know, this meeting lasted for about an hour. You know, while this meeting was on, Army Chief General Bipin Rawat arrived in Srinagar. He went straight to the BB camp, where right now, as we speak, a high-level meeting is on, which has been attended by the 15 Corps GOC, Lieutenant General Sandhu, as well as other top commanders, including the Northern Army Commander Chief General Ambu. You know, what we are hearing is that this meeting is primarily focusing, is reviewing the security as far as the army is concerned in terms of Amarnath Yatra. As broken by Republic earlier, you know, the army has deployed about 5 battalions in Kashmir itself for the Amarnath Yatra.
Okay, Snehesh, just be there on that story. I'm going to get back to you in a moment. Let me